going to transform for you. So stay tuned and watch my video. I just washed and blow dried my hair, getting ready to put a few curls in it. Not a whole lot because I kind of like the straight look, but I'm preparing my hair before I get ready to put my makeup on. But I wanted you to see the face look. I also wanted to point out to you the products that I use on my face to wash my face with, because they're my favorite. I'm always getting asked, what do you clean your face with? Let me show you, because it is like my absolute favorite. So hold on, let me show you. This is what I wash my face with. As you can see, look at all that clarity that I have in my skin. I wash it with this Clear Skin Morning Burst Facial Scrub, all free. I love it. I've been doing it and using this for years. This is my travel size because I'm traveling right now. So this is my travel size bottle that I get every time I go on my trips and stuff and when I'm traveling. But I have a big one at home that I use daily. Sometimes I switch it out with another product that I'll tell you about later. But this is my absolute favorite. And if you're looking for a good facial scrub, it gives your face clarity, it cleans it, it has like a little bit of, what is this, exfoliation product in it that kind of exfoliates while it cleans, but it cleans it, but it also, if you notice, I always have this little glow or shine after I've put it on my face. So that's what I use on my face before I get ready to put on my makeup or anything else. I'll wash it.